Here you can see one of our exterior vents which vent the inside ducting. There's 7 10-inch diameter ducts that go along the clear story, the apex of the ceiling inside, and that vents out the hot air that builds up, and it comes through these, and it's a passive ventilation system where as the hot air comes out it creates a vacuum, and that will suck air in through the windows and or the earth tubes that are inside. So this vent is, as you can see, installed upside down, and that's because it will flow air much better this way. And so I've created kind of a high flow vent. I've put some caulking on the back so it won't leak, so we can have those vents open in good or bad weather, rain or sun, and they won't leak, and they'll allow us to vent the house using zero electricity. Here you can see an awning style window that will have 4 of these across the south face of glass. These windows here are 36 wide by 26 tall, and they fit right in between the 4x6s. But these are positioned here low on the face to bring in cooler, lower air to the house, and they also face, on this particular site, the prevailing breeze, which is from the southwest. So they're perfect for ventilating the house, and you know, they can close as well if you don't want the ventilation, and they're built right into this face nicely around the other panes of glass. So this is an important part of the passive ventilation system that this house will utilize. Here you can see some of our earth tubes. Now we have a total of 8 4-inch PVC tubes running underground and under the slab of the house, and then they'll come up in designated areas for ventilation. And what this does is, A, it gives the house a way to breathe rather than breathing through cracks and crevices and that sort of thing, though we've tried to minimize those. This gives the house a way to breathe that we can control. And furthermore, as it goes through, now 5 of these are 100 feet long, and they run underneath the ground, and therefore they condition the air. So in the sun, or in the summer, when it's very hot outside, these will bring in cooler air to the house. And of course, in the winter, when it's very cold outside, these will bring in warmer air into the house. So no matter what time of year, we're going to get geothermally conditioned air that will enter the house in the living spaces and just provide natural ventilation. You need to have a healthy breathing environment, and that's what these earth tubes do.